Welcome to watch today's fresh home. This colorful, retro-futuristic duplex overlooks all of Manhattan. In the world's thinnest building, interior designer Anthony Ingrao has created a joyful, arty interior with sophisticated contemporary references inspired by the ever-present sky. Take the world's thinnest skyscraper, and one of the tallest in the United States, add a duplex with breathtaking views of Central Park to the north and Manhattan to the south, and use the opening scene of Alien, Covenant as the design cue, and you have the rebus-like brief that interior designer Anthony Ingrao had to solve. The building is 111W, 57th Street, better known as Steinway Tower, and located on Billionaires Row, the part of Midtown where Manhattan's tallest buildings are located. The apartment occupies the 74th and 75th floors. Because of the building's thinness, the upper floors sway several meters in high winds.